Hey guys, it's Greg from GWI Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement front upper right control arm with ball joint that fits a variety of GM vehicles, including Cadillac, Chevy, and GMC trucks and SUVs. So since this is the upper right-hand control arm, this is actually the passenger side of the vehicle, and it's going to fit GM trucks and SUVs such as the Cadillac Escalade, Chevy Silverado, Tahoe, as well as a GMC Sierra and Yukon from about 2009 to 2016. Some of the vehicle models, it goes as early as 2007. So as you can see here, this is a complete control arm. It includes the actual arm assembly. It includes new control arm bushings that are pressed in, and it includes a new ball joint as well. If we flip the ball joint over, you'll see that there is a grease Zerk fitting here, which you'll want to make sure you fill this with grease prior to installation. And then it also includes a new castle nut here. And when you go to install this, you'll want to make sure you take this cover off. This cover is just to protect the ball joint during shipping. So you want to make sure you remove that before installation. Now, if you guys have any questions about this control arm, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.